$1 million.
Curfew no exist. About curfew, COVID no exist. COVID no exist. COVID no exist. COVID and quarantine and something no exist no more. People, I put on the crepe and by the time we reach the car, but my crepe drop off, kind dry rotten. Week out. Week out. That was good, bro. But next thing, pan news, people. Jamaica get 200 doses of COVID-19 vaccine from China. Jamaica get a vaccine named Sinopharm. 200,000 doses of vaccine named Sinopharm from China. Now listen, people. Sino, as far as me concerned, it a got on the ampoile, you know. It a got on the ampoile. Because look on the good AstraZeneca over there in Jamaica, they not take it. You can imagine they get a dose of one vaccine that come from China. The same China where them claim say where the virus come from, them not take it. Better not send it back. That's why they come in under the quiet without no publicity and them something, you better not take it back. Take it back. If the Chinese give you as gift, tell them say sorry. We don't want it in Jamaica. Ha. But people, may I think about something. You something that feel like Ruel can read, especially as a churchman, as far as me hearing is. You know, would I expect say him know say the Bible say. I'm pretty sure they get some keys there. Would I know say the Bible say God not like thief. The Bible say God not like thief. Cause the Bible say thou shall not steal. And then the people them say a thief. Turn to your neighbor and say a thief will never prosper. Come on, somebody. Since we are talking about accommodation and them things, the Jamaica Constabulary Force want to advertise, so them have 2-bedroom quad, fully furnished, with 3 square meters a day for rent. What? So first mind about this. Me need, JCF, look at me. Me need one of them. Me need one of them. You can't have quad, we're fully furnished, 3 square meters a day, and you're in a gated community, and me, not forget one, half of which is in a chat, one. Because I can't take up the NHT offer, so I need one of them quad there. Hold on, the people, hold on. Apparently, they have some requirement. One of the main requirement is that you have to commit a crime. So me don't want it. Them say if you commit a crime, you can get the quad for free. Me don't want it. You don't keep on the quad. Keep on the quad. So right now I'm making a note say Alien, aka Jet Plane, aka the leader that run left them young people. You want to know say she win the female athlete of the year and them thing that people. But we never expect no difference. Look how she deal with the world. Look how she deal with Miss Splifftail, Miss She Can't Run. Look how she deal with them people. So we never expect no different people. If nobody else see when they want to say a stone would have fling, you know. We would have find a venue and stone off the fling people because that would have been robbery. You see me? So Alien, we just want to tell you, mama. Cock up in a Jesus name, you see me? Hold on to the prize and cock up in a Jesus name. Let them know say you run things right and how things don't run you. Alright, and I also want to make you know say you are the real MVP, mama. But hold on there. She left them. Yo, scratch out the part there. We don't know enough people. The Yardman Sports in a minute and so we are getting news in a 1 minute or less. You see me? Outside. Good night, beautiful.
Good night, driver. Good night.
How you doing tonight, baby girl?
Driver, please. I do not want to talk.
Oh man, I don't appreciate you, baby. Just want to make you know so you look good in your clothes, you know, my girl.
Okay, driver, thank you for your compliment, but I do not want to talk. Please, I just want to
baby girl, that's easy, man. Easy, man. Me nah pressure you, baby. Me nah pressure you. I just make you know say you look good in your clothes. And the right Uber you take tonight, you know, can I tell you the baddest Mark X's in a Kingston, you know. You have to ask Christ.
Oh my God, why did I come into this
The baddest Mark X are coming out tonight, baby.
Driver, please, let's say I do not want to talk. I just want to get
I'm not talk too long, girl. I'm not talk too long. I'm just making you know say you look good, you know. I should probably have tonight.
Really? You're gonna ask me? Driver, please, I do
baby,
not want to...
Baby, just patronize me, man. I should probably have tonight. That's the conversation I'm making. We can't just drive and not talk.
Okay, since you really want to know, I'm going to church. I'm going to a church event tonight.
Church.
Yeah, I'm going to a church event.
I'm could have telling you, I can see the glow upon you, you know, girl.
Oh my God.
Can't say God love you, man. Can't say Jesus love you. Bad too, man. I love me too. Can put in a mic over. You don't know, you know.
Oh my God, why did I come into this Uber?
Baby, you know, go church, man, so I say a prayer for me, you know. Say 2 words for me, man. Make God knows I still love him, you know. I'm there with you do the work and we are hustling, you see me?
Brianna, I'm in this
But baby, you hear about the scripture, yeah?
Oh my my God,
The scripture, baby girl, man, you know the scripture say roses are red, violets are blue. Once you come in at the bad Uber X, me have to do with you.
Let me to my car.
You can joke, man. I can joke, baby girl. I can joke, man. Come on, man. And then they want to go into the schools and try to indoctrinate I youths with freedom version of the truth. Me telling this right now, pride and silver shall not be indoctrinated by freedom version of the truth. As I say, my youth, them name Pride and Simba. Because Pride is a group of lion and Simba is a king of the jungle. My youth, them a lion. What they feel like, and what them feel like, so them a sardine or salmon. What they know, man. Rasta George burn a continuous and consuming fire. Pa uno on the throat. In the name of His Imperial Majesty King Jesus Christ. Jah! Over Jara. Ever living, never able. Cover your better than a tank top car, you cover your neighbor. Mates. I am answering them on the black and I am mates, you know. But I'm so proud about Rasta. In the words of the great Robert Nesta Marley, you know. Man to man is so unjust. No man no fear touch an next man but or something like that. So no was at the World Cup qualifier, but obviously all of them not go play. So man will never see the field. I'm just gonna make you know from early, so you will never see the field. Alright? So we're gonna start with the man that will not play, obviously. Blair play not. Blair play not. How will Blair can? Shamar. Come here. No, me know say they're on farm for your club. And they're scoring their last match. But we'll get the start. We'll start on the bench. Come here, youth. You know, say you remind me of me when we used to play in our team. Yeah, man, you remind me of me, Wally, man. So I can't start here, you know. Can't start here, man. I don't want more of me out there. You play good enough. I'm over ready for you. What's the best place to catch back your breath when you go and good in a game? You don't know? On the bench. Go and sit down. Watch up, Paul. You know, just about for rain a while ago. Look at the sun just come out, so look at it shine bright. No, man, it's a sign, man. Me not feel leave. Me not feel leave for the obvious sign that, Paul. Right? An aerial assault we are working. From defense to forward. We are doing it like it's a missile. The missile not fit boom up until it touch the ground. So we not touch the ground until we reach it forward. See that? Forget about the midfield. And midfield something them not work no more modern day football, you know. We work from defense to forward. If the midfield touch the ball, that's how it go. But a forward we are dealing with aerial assault like a bomb we are drop, alright? Something need to change in another game, man. Something need to change. How would I score? How would I score? Take him off. 10 push-up. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen.
Good.
Just touched down in the church out. My God, rich. Me not look like the church, man. Yo.
Yo, what go on, Dex?
I go on hell, I'm there, no brother. I'm there.
Long time I hear from the man, no brother.
Yeah, check in.
Yeah, man, me I say a good one, I hear from you, man. No Likkle post from Dextazlab, nor nothing. Oh, I go on with the hell,
yo, Parry, I
what go on?
Sick in the eye. Sick out bad, brother. I say no, you're not from him, man. You no Likkle posting or nothing could go on, brother.
And I said to man,
sick
know
bad,
the man sick out, brother. Sorry for hear that, my G.
Yeah, so me there a whole recovery, but you know, still kind of in the red a little bit, but I give thanks when I bad like how me did go on what day, you see me?
Yeah, man, I pray for the eye, man.
I'm big up for the check-in still up, me appreciate that, you know, you don't know. Yeah, man, you know?
Yeah, man. So I have a question, brother. How the next video I got?
Video? Brother, me say me sick.
Brother, sickness no mean nothing, brother. Next video if you chop expediently, brother. The road ready feet in a brother. The road right, people are finding a place to go laugh, brother. Look how much content out there, brother.
Brother, me sick.
You could have dead, brother. You don't care if you're sick. Why not care about your sickness, man? Fix that.
No, son, no stop, no stop. Me can't take this no longer. Me a come out. Me a come out. No, son, me can't do this. Not over my dead body. No, son. No, son.
Sing the wondrous love of Jesus. Sing His mercy and His grace in the mansion bright and blessed. He'll prepare for us a place.
But, Mr. Anderson, I want to ask you a question, Mr. Anderson. Why did I get this from your wife that you are very verbally abusive to both her and your daughter? You're abusive to her. No, Doc, I won't say that I am verbally abusive. I really can't see through that. I cannot see through that. I just think Beverly wants to get me out of the house so I can go out and like socialize with others. But, you know, because I've been locked into work so much. But I will say, Doc, and this is something that I probably can talk to you a bit more off air about. Or probably you can, you know, provide some references for me. Okay, Mr. Anderson, okay. The business has taken somewhat of a shot since the pandemic. And I must say as well, Doc, that I've also fallen down in my, you know, performance where the bedroom is concerned. Also, the pandemic affected your performance in the bed. Performance affected in the bedroom. This has definitely affected his ability to reason. Okay. So Mr. Anderson, you're telling me that you take out your violent expressions on your family via words because you are not performing well in the bedroom. Look, you know, I have to express myself. I have to express myself. You know, I bought this house with blood, sweat, and tears in a Doc. Blood, sweat, and tears and hard work. So I believe that, you know, a man should have the opportunity to speak freely. If you know that I eat fried chicken only on a Monday and a Tuesday, Doc. No, Doc, be reasonable. If I eat fried chicken only on a Monday and a Tuesday, you are going to cook fried chicken on a Sunday, Doc? And nothing else? I'm going to call you an idiot. I'm going to call you an idiot. I'm going to ask if you're So you call your wife an idiot because she cooked fried chicken on a Sunday? But that doesn't make any sense. I only eat fried chicken on the specified days. So when you come with something like that, Doc, come on, Doc. And then my daughter now. I am going to tell this child that she needs to go on a diet. Doc, this child can barely walk through the door. This is a 14-year-old child, you know, Doc. 14-year-old child. And I tell her that she look like Miss Likkle, she needs to go and lose some weight. No, I am the one who's having to buy the clothes. I'm the one who's sending you to school. I'm the one who's going to have to feed you of all things. You need to look better. And you are my daughter of all things. You need to look the part. It doesn't matter if you built the house from the ground up. You have to understand that people have feelings and you impact them when you talk to them in a certain way. That cannot be your communication towards your wife and your daughter, who you claim to love. That cannot be the case. But two things I'm going to recommend for you before I even go any further. I'm going to recommend a few doses of Viagra. And I'm also going to recommend that your wife tell you to sleep outside because something is wrong with you. Wagwan sheep, customers. Welcome to Star Apple. I am Steve Robs. And today we'll be launching our most revolutionary, life-changing and newest smartphone device on the market. Introducing the Yamid Phone 13. With everything that you know and love about your previous Yamid Phone 12, every single thing. We've changed nothing, we've added nothing. However, we are now changing your smartphone experience by adding a new personal assistant. Instead of Siri, say hello to Munchie. Say hi, Munchie.
Bye.
Okay, Munchie,
pick up on a nice clean self, people.
Munchie is your personal assistant.
Me one.
Munchie will guide you.
Good girl, Munchie on your phone.
Stop. Okay. You can't stop. Munchie will give you directions. Munchie will also work out your mathematics. Munchie will also work out your mathematics. Munchie will do maths for you. Munchie, what is 5 plus 10 divided by 15 to the 10th
Well on
power.
Mr. Steve, joke breaks there. Our kind of wally pa maths that. A munchie this and a series. No, but perplex me in the afternoon, Mr. Steve.
Sorry about that. Munchie is still
As
in
a
a
matter of
demo
fact,
mode.
when you tell the people that say, I the same
Munchie,
phone in
stop.
our rebrand.
Munchie is still...
When you tell the people
Munchie,
that say the same
Munchie,
phone
stop
in
now.
our rebrand.
Stop now, Munchie. Munchie, for a long time we have talked to you about this in a Munchie. Yes. Yeah, you don't know Sheldon, Jersey boss, you know? Just want to big up all the people in New York and thing. If you need a jersey and them thing, they don't know if you find me, because the Jersey boss, you know, we have asked at a Jersey, Man U, Liverpool, Real Madrid and all them thing. We have a new and freshest jersey them on the scene and them thing there, you know? So come link the Jersey boss and get in the jersey them. We have a discount I run for the Christmas, a promotion and them thing there, you know? So come link up the Jersey boss and get your jersey fresh. As I say, you're a brethren, I'm a rate you as a brethren, but your breath stink, dog. Dog, your breath stink, my youth. I'm not talking about no normal level of stinkness in my youth. I'm talking about says like one dog dead in your stomach. And brother, I'm not talking about no normal level of stinkness, man. I'm talking about, yo, it's like one dog dead in your stomach. And brother, I'm not talking about no normal level of stinkness, man. I'm talking about like one dog dead in your stomach, but 1 2 weeks, man, to all a month, my youth. I just a rotten. Brother, I send train follow you when you live on the road, man. I'm not lie to you, my youth. As a brethren, we rate you. As a brethren, dog, it's hard for me to run you, my youth. It's hard for me to run you, my youth, because I know so me there run you, my youth, and you start talking, you know. Nobody now come near you, you know. You don't realize, my youth, it's like, matter of fact, me feel like say you didn't know. You think you didn't know, my youth, you know, so say, yo, you know business, because you have someone out there, you know, my youth, them not care about nothing, you know, my youth. You have someone with them breath stink and them body stink and them just not care, you know, my youth. You see me, someone feel like say I one of them Monday, but no me realize say I know so it did go. And you don't realize say your breath stink. Cause in them time I say, yo, all you under mask, your nose will a stitch to your mouth, you know, your nose must have dead, you know, my youth. Me I wonder how you end up hospital, you know. You wicked, man, you wicked, yo, but that easy with the bag about them, man. That's easy with the bag about them, my brother. Me rate you as a brethren, dog, so I make you know what I'm going, you see me? But But you didn't realize that I don't even eat from you. Look how much time you stab all that chicken with a fork, man, you and say, yo. But you didn't realize that I don't even eat from you, my youth. You didn't realize that me and your brethren a long time I would have buy my own food before me take one piece of food from you, my youth. And I rate you as a brethren, right? But I couldn't tell you that, my youth. I couldn't tell you, because I feel like, say, yo, oh, you tell a man saying bread stink. Or if you tell a brethren saying bread stink, my youth, that's rough. You see me that rough fit tell a brother, man, but anyway. I say it have to go, my youth. I say it go sometime, man, you live and you learn. And because of that situation, you know, we have to thank God, because see, you know, you realize, say, your bread stink. You see me, but anyway. Which team you are going to use later? Because you have to get a 6 lover before you get here, you know, because I'm there a whole day I wait if you're not too late, you know, my youth. So, I have to go work it out, you see me?